In case you forgot how to turn a presentation into a video in Adobe Spark, here we go. It's useful to get screenshots, but to get better quality screenshots, put your iPad in presentation mode. When you start a new video in Adobe Spark, just start with your photos. Select the photos you want to use, or even video. They may not be in the order that you want, but you can change that later. Usually, you need to pinch your photos down to make them fit. Some of them will get cropped out of the video. While you can change how long each image is up, if you press the hold and record button, it automatically makes it the correct length. You can hold on to a photo and drag and drop and rearrange the order at the bottom. Up at the top, you can select your theme. I chose Noir. You can also choose your music that plays throughout the whole background. This is the key benefit of this app in my mind, is the vast selection of music, which is far superior to iMovie. When you're all done, press the export button in the upper right-hand corner and save it to your camera roll. This might take a little while. Next, you open up SeeSaw and press the green plus sign. Then the upload button. Choose from photos, it's on your camera roll. Select recents. In my case, I selected video and uploaded the video I wanted. Press the green check in the upper right-hand corner. For some reason, you have to press the green check again, but you can press the blue button at the bottom and caption and title your video. After you write a title or caption, then press the green check in the upper right-hand corner. I don't know if you have this option, but I chose to send it to everybody, or you could choose to send it to a few students. Then you get the super fun loading screen. Still waiting. Still waiting. And when it's done, your video will magically appear on SeeSaw, except it won't. You have to be patient and wait for me to approve it. Hopefully that answers some of your questions. If you have other questions, just email me, and I look forward to seeing your videos.